Welcome to Digital Maestro. My name is Alex Reyes. In this lesson, we'll be learning about paragraph styles in Google Docs. Now, if you're not familiar with paragraph styles are a set of styles that contain information about the text in a document. So, for example, paragraph styles contain information about the font size, the font color, even the spacing between the lines of text in a paragraph. So, when we open up a brand new Google document, we have a set of styles that's automatically applied to it. So in this example, we see that we have this text in Georgia 12-point font. Okay, so that's what we have here, and that's all part of this style here, the normal style. If I click on this pull down menu, we see that there are several other styles here. We have a title style, a subtitle, a heading 1, 2, 3, and so on. So part of the normal style includes a Georgia font at 12 point, which is this text right here. So if we want to change that, we can easily come in here and just change the text here to, let's say, an 18-point font and Arial. That's easy enough to do, but that's not part of our paragraph style. If we were to come back here and click on normal style and select normal here, the text will return to the normal paragraph style, which is great in most cases because we would want to do that. But when we're working with documents, it's a good idea to keep our documents consistent, and styles are one way in which we can do that. So in this example, if we have this normal style and it's currently set to Georgia 12 point, and we would like all of our text in our document to be set to something different, let's say Arial 14 point, and then we want that to be applied to all the text in the document, paragraph styles are the way of doing that. So let's look at this here. I'm going to select just a few lines of text here because we don't need to select all the text in a paragraph. Just selecting a small part of the text will do. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to select Arial font, and I'm going to increase the font size to a 14-point font, and it's only done this to this part of the text here that I've selected. But if I want to update the normal style so that this text gets applied to every part of my document that uses this style, I'll click on this pull down menu, and then I'll see this little question mark right here. I'll click on that question mark, and then I get a menu appear which allows me to either apply the normal style, which is already part of the style there, or to update this normal style text with the changes that I've made. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to update the normal text style to match the changes that I made, which include Arial 14 point. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and the moment I do, not only is the text that I highlighted in Arial 14 point, but so is the rest of the text. If I were to click anywhere here in any of the other paragraphs, we'll see that the font is Arial and the size is 14 point. So that's the power of using styles, because if we want to make changes to the text in our document, we don't have to select all the text in the document. We can just update the style that uses that font.